So, what's going on, everybody? Why is my camera blur? Why is my camera blur? What's going on with the lens? So, guys, today you're joining me on a Friday night. Let me show you the time. I don't know why this camera is blur, bro. Let me just try and wipe it. Why is it blur? You know what? I don't know why this camera is tripping. But as you can see, 2024 November 22 is the date. 2024. Currently 20 minutes past 11 p.m. Friday, and I just finished doing my weekly recap. So let me just show you how my week went. So trading weekly recap. Trader name Manele Simatons. This thing of using these names like money trades or whatever, it's my YouTube name. It's not me as a trader, because now, bro, it's like I'm not even treating it as a business if I'm calling myself money trades here on personal stuff, So yeah, trader name Manele Simatons, so that I can, like, bro, there's something that it's putting within me, like, to treat this like a business, So like, yeah, Manele Simatons, something serious. Then trading week 18 November, from 18 November to the 22nd of November 2024. So the pair I traded this week was EURUSD. Date was 18 November. I took it on Monday. Then the result was profit, trade forecast, and trade breakdown. So this was the trade forecast. This was prior to the opening of the market on Saturday. I saw that price was now in a typical sequence, even though price was near a major value area, but there was a gap that was left to be filled. So I forecasted for that touch to take it on the H1 or H4 risk entry. So yeah, this is part of the forecast. This was Monday morning. It was after the market has opened. As you can see there, I had written this or nothing, Then Monday night around 11 p.m. in the night, of which I was late with my entry and I had forgotten about this trade. I was just lucky that it was still at break-even or entry point, so I entered. Why am I cracking? But yeah, I entered. These days I'm just struggling to talk because of the flu. So yeah, I think it was around like 9 when I was just finished watching TV. I just forgot about this trade. So I was just sitting here in my room. Then around 11, I don't know what said, just go to your phone and look at trading view. Then I remembered that there was a trade, and this trade would have been detrimental to my psychology if I didn't take this trade, because I forecasted it perfectly. As we can see from there, it was totally down there, and I planned for it to go to a dead touch. So when the opportunity presented itself and I wasn't there, it was just gonna be a problem to me. So Tuesday morning, this is how the trade went. Now look at this. Look at this, Tuesday morning. Now look at this. But I'm gonna explain for it. Trade management. Now, the trade management here, I could have done better. You see, one thing about me, I'm gonna be honest to myself. Because if I don't be honest with myself, I will be fooling myself. So I need to tell myself even harsh truths, So trade management. Now the trade management here, I could have done better, and I mean a lot better. I managed this trade monetary wise and not by looking at structure. But this was also situational, because now I had made a mess of the lot size, so I was already floating about $380 with this small movement. This trade was a good trade, but with a lot of luck getting in. If I had not closed that trade, it would have came and taken me out for a loss over $100, and that would have been detrimental to my psychology, knowing exactly that I was floating $380 only to be taken that for a loss. I closed this trade as soon as I saw the $380. I would say it was situational though. I just considered my views on YouTube and was like, this will be good for views, which is not good. It's very wrong. It worked for me, but it is wrong, and I'm going to do better next time. I'm being honest, because if you're looking at this, bro, I was floating there and I made a loss of the lot size. As I told you guys, that app called my FX book, it just gave me wrong figures, the wrong lot size. So I just deleted that app and I downloaded a new one, and that one is working quite good for me. So what happened, like around there, dog, I was floating like $380. Excuse me. But because of the lot size, I was floating $380. Imagine there, with that small movement, I was already floating $380. You know. So now I just closed it. Because now I was looking at this. I'm floating $380 there. What if it goes up there? It's gonna take me out maybe for like above $100, dog. Because now I use a standard lot size, which is one problem. I made a mess of the lot size. So this is why I'm saying it was a lot of luck. First of all, I was late with my entry. Second of all, this trade came back, bro. It came back to hit the stop loss, and then it went straight down. Just went straight down. Now imagine if I didn't close there and I held the trade, and it takes me out for a loss, knowing very well that, dog, I was floating $380 to be tagged out. For a loss above $100. Now think about that. Think how much it's ruining my psychology right there. It's totally ruining my psychology game, bro. It's totally diminishing me, you know. But if I had not placed the standard lot size, I would have not closed that trade right there. This would have ended up as a losing trade if I didn't use that standard lot size, and it would have been a good loss for me. But considering the fact that I was floating $380 and I made this was a mistake, bro. This was a straight mistake. I'm being honest. I made a mistake with the lot size. But considering the fact that I was floating $380, you know, so like I just thought about the situation. I thought about the now moment. I was like, okay, so now what is the best option for me? I was like, if it keeps on going down, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna walk away with this $380. Because now if it retraces back, it's totally gonna ruin my psychology. But if it goes more down there, it's fine. I walked away with $380, so we are okay. So this week I only took one trade. So yeah, self-review. Did I plan for this trade? Yes, I did plan for the trade. If so, did I take it? If not, why not? Yes, I did take this trade. As you saw up there, guys, I planned for this trade like 2 or 3 days prior. So yeah, I can say it is more about getting more into these little details, you know. This is not a teaching moment. Oh yeah. Last time taking these today. I'm feeling okay now. Feeling better. Bro, I just made a mess. I was backtesting EURUSD. Took me like 2 to 3 hours, bro. I was backtesting it, nah. This is what happened. You see the wins and the losses and the break-evens and the losses, nah. So what happened is the pictures were not matching the things I wrote down. You feel me? So now I saw that there was an error. I started afresh. Now today, look at how many losses, bro. Look at how many losses. Loss, won. Loss, profit, break even. Bro, no, man, no. You see now what I mean by saying, when you're doing something, make sure that you're doing it in the right way. And right now, I think I made a flop, bro. I think the previous days when I was backtesting, you see, look at how many small short trades I was taking on AUTSD 1, 2, 3, only 3 trades. And the DUSD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. All of a sudden, so many trades. What I saw is that when I was backtesting, bro, I'm backtesting with this thing of but I would have taken it. I'm no longer backtesting. Like today, I was not backtesting using the trading plan, bro. I was just backtesting using my bad behaviors, of which it is wrong. Like it is wrong, bro. Again, tomorrow I'm gonna backtest EURUSD again, bro. Like again until I get it right. Cause last time I backtested EURUSD, I think it was on Thursday. Then on Friday I didn't backtest. Today it's Saturday. I plan to backtest EURUSD again because I saw that on Thursday I made a mistake. Today again, there's a mistake, bro. Like I was backtesting using my old behaviors, which is not nah. Like there's a lot of H1 trades here. Like, bro, when I come this side, look at the H4 trades. No, man. I gotta do better. Maybe it's because I didn't watch the videos today. Yes, maybe it's because I didn't watch the videos today. But I gotta do better, bro. Like I gotta do better for real. I gotta do better. Boys. So what time is it now, bro? Like I'm not sure about the time, but I just wanna go to training, bro. Not training, but on Saturdays we play soccer. On Saturdays we do play soccer like around like 5 p.m. So right after I come back, I just take a cold shower. After that, I don't know what time this game is starting. Like Sundowns in my case, final. I'm not sure what time is it gonna start it, but I'm gonna watch it. Then after that, maybe at like 9 p.m. in the night, it's gonna be Sunday market breakdown. So like right now, I'm just gonna chill, just relax and take a break a bit, and then I go to play football. After day, it's going to be SMB time, boy. Baby on that rapid pay the bill shit. Now that shit, not even a little bit. Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Baby on that rapid pay the bill shit. Now that shit, not even a little bit. You say now, the worst thing that can happen is for Liverpool to draw this game, because like it's Manchester City's downfall, bro. Like, but the second half has just started, so I'm gonna stream the game after I finish shooting this clip. But you see now, it's currently like Manchester City's downfall. So like, for Liverpool to win this game, bro, we're just gonna extend our lead on the log. But then Arsenal just won, so hey, it might be hard, but we need to win this game against Southampton. But I'm not there. What I wanted to show you is that I just finished my SMB, but I just found out about this hack, bro. Like I was not aware of this hack. Look at this, like that you can be able to separate your pairs, So me, I've outlined them as wild cards, the pairs that are looking sharp for the week ahead, and daily watch list, of which I'm gonna add pairs there once the week has started. When maybe a pair is looking good for that particular day, I'm gonna add it there. Then for long term, other pairs that I'm waiting for, maybe to go to a value area or something like that, So all my wild cards, I've got so many pairs, man. I've got so many pairs and they're looking good. Kiwi dollar, I'm looking for buys, but it's still gonna need time, so I'm just gonna leave it there. Now USD CAD, as you can see, like the bearish momentum is there on the weekly, daily. You got the bearish momentum also. This one is looking good. So maybe tomorrow I'm gonna put it on my daily watch list, but yeah, I'm gonna be shooting the video, so you're gonna see. I'm expecting that after that small consolidation, then this. If it drags, there's gonna be a high risk trade though, because there's liquidity resting above there. So price might just come, then weak, then can start going below. So I've also got CAD CHF. Also CAD CHF is looking good. Like CAD CHF is looking good. This is what I'm waiting for, but I left a long message there because the positioning here. But yeah, that is the text. If you want to read about it, pause the video so that you can get to know about it more. What is this? EuroCAD. Also, I'm waiting for those big moves, So yeah, like, but one thing you should be aware of, gents, let me just show you some good stuff. Yo, my hand is already tired. Yo, let me just take a rest. So boys, guys, look at this. The DXY is positioned for sales. So EURUSD, be aware. be aware. You guys don't be buying the market now. Don't be selling EURUSD now. Don't be selling EURUSD now. Just a quick tip. But as you know, I always say this is not a teaching moment. This is not a teaching moment. I'm just showing you what I know about the market. So yeah, man. I think I'm done for the day, bro. I'm done for the day. But there's this comment I saw here, but I'm gonna elaborate on that after I finish shooting this clip. I just wanna watch the game so that I can be able to talk to you boys. So guys, yeah, I wanted to elaborate on some comment that I saw here on my channel. I think I saw it yesterday. Yeah, I think it was yesterday. Let me just go and check it. Cause if it's a guy, this guy was like, okay, let me just say this person. Cause if I'm gonna say it's a guy or a girl, see, I'm gonna be wrong. So yeah, let me just check this comment because I wanted to answer that question because I think they said I should say about my journey, how far is it going, and how is it like. I don't remember. You can see I'm trying to log into YouTube to see this video. How is so? Where is it? Let me just go to. Heaven, see now I cannot see this thing. Hey, but this phone is also on its other things alone, bro. Yeah, it's what's it? Yo, I don't know how to pronounce this name. Kahoentle Mogale, like Kahoentle Mogale or something like that. So he was like, please do a video on how you got to Forex and what are your expectations from it. Also, what advice could you give to someone? If I'm gonna tell you my expectations, gonna be like I'm telling you like my dreams, goals, and aspirations. But I take Forex trading as a career. So let's just keep it there. So how you got to Forex? I got to Forex like, hey bro, if I were to elaborate on that, yo guys, please excuse the external noise. Kids have just finished writing, so they're just here at home. So sometimes there's gonna be external noises. But let me just say how I got to Forex. I got to Forex I think I knew about it in 2022, but I wasn't into it like that because I was doing my trick. And then late December 2022, yes, that's when I started trading. But this is a story for another day. It would just need its own episode. But I'm gonna do it maybe next year. I'll see. But what advice could you give to someone? Hey, gents, if you're still starting the journey, bro. Hey, like if I were to be honest, this thing is not easy. This thing is not easy as it is being portrayed on the internet. Cause on the internet, bro, hey, they're portraying some like, bro, it's like it's easy, bro. There's this YouTube channel from here in South Africa. I think it's Traders Room South Africa. Yeah, I think it's Top Trader South Africa. Yeah, that channel they call forex traders to come there. They call forex traders to come there and explain how they did forex trading and all those things. So when you listen to those podcasts, bro, they'll interview a guy and that guy will say they made it in forex trading within 2 years, 3 years, 2 years, 3 years. I've never had a trader there saying I made it after like 5, 6, 7 years. You won't hear them saying that. They'll say maybe I became profitable after 5 months, 7 months, or whatsoever. So now if you listen to those guys, you're gonna have a certain image of a successful forex trader, and you will have a certain timeline, and you will think, oh, so in this game you make it after 5 months, 7 months, 2 months, or maybe 2 years. So if you listen to those guys, it's gonna be a problem, bro. It's gonna be a problem. You see, the people that we see here on the internet, very few of them are showing the real side of forex trading. Very few of them. So I'd say, don't follow these South African forex traders, most of them, bro, hey, they're just selling lifestyle, bro. They're just selling lifestyle. Go to their Instagrams, you'll see them posting lifestyles, you know. So the South African industry, bro. If you are from here in South Africa, our industry is just ruined, bro. Like the forex trading industry is ruined here in South Africa. But if you're starting out, just make sure you follow the right guys so that you have a certain image of a successful forex trader. Because all of us, if you were to ask all forex traders, the beginner forex traders, if you were to ask all of us, what do we think is a successful forex trader? We will have different explanations because of the people that we see day in and day out, the people we follow, you know. Like the people I follow that are trading forex, they portray a certain picture of forex trading. The other people you guys follow, they portray other side of forex trading. One will say, like, if you may ask, like, someone who doesn't know forex, who just like maybe saw one video of forex trading, he will say a forex trader is someone who lives a flashy lifestyle, someone who wastes money, drinks, has all of those crazy stuff. Like, bro, like someone who's reckless with money and who's just showcasing their lifestyle, who's living a flashy lifestyle, you know. Most of the people would say forex traders are like that, you know. So that's another image of forex trading, you know. But to me, I have a different image now of forex trading. What is forex trading? Because it's been 2 years I've been trading. Yeah, in December I'm gonna close in 2 full years from 2022 December to 2023 December. It was 1 full year. Then from 2023 to 2024 December is gonna be 2 full years doing this thing. And what I can say, this thing is hard. Like, this thing is hard. It's not easy. But I think we make it hard. Like us, we make it hard by following the wrong things, wrong stuff, listening to wrong people, you know. Because the people you listen to, bro, they're gonna have an impact on your trading, like it or not. If you listen to it, it's gonna sink into your subconscious mind. Because like your subconscious mind does not know what is true or what is not true, you know. But that's a topic for another day. But let me stick to this, dog. Hey, I've been yapping for like 5 minutes, but I haven't even given tips. What advice could you give to someone? Find a profitable strategy, profitable edge. Make sure that you can backtest it. You know, there's a lot of strategies out there. Make sure you choose a strategy that is gonna go with your lifestyle. You know, make sure you go with a strategy that's gonna go with your lifestyle. If you are someone who's always busy and you don't have time to be trading the whole day, you should choose an edge that is gonna help you and go that is gonna go in with your daily routine, you know. Because like if you're gonna take maybe which strategy, hey, I don't know a lot of strategies, bro, but Falcon, you can swing trade, you can day trade or whatever. You can do a lot of things in Falcon. Like they've just introduced H4 Mastery. In H4 Mastery, you can hold trades for days and days. Maybe you wait for like 4 candlesticks in a day, then you can be able to enter. So like, bro, find a profitable edge, have a trading plan, and then you need to master your psychology, bro. 3 things: trading plan, trading strategy, trading psychology. Those 3 things, you know. So the people you're gonna learn from, you should know who they are. You should know who they are, you know. Because now, you see, now once I start going to, because now I'm gonna end up explaining a lot of things. But bro, if you're still starting out this thing, find a profitable edge, have a trading plan, and you must have your psychology in check, you know. So it's strategy, trading plan. So like the psychology part, 90%, 10% is your trading edge, then it gives you 100%, you know. So yeah, I think that is all I can say, bro. But this thing is hard. One thing I can say to you, this thing is hard, and it's not made for everyone, buddy. It's not made for everyone. You find someone saying I've been trading for 7 years and it's not working out. It's because they're working hard on the wrong stuff. So make sure you're gonna be working hard on the right stuff, bro. Like I'm here today because I know that okay, the things that I've been working hard on are the wrong stuff, you know. But we keep on pushing, bro. We keep on pushing. There's no time for failure. There's no time for failure. Hopefully that elaborates what I wanted to say, bro. Yeah, I think that's it, bro. Like I think that's it because I've been going through some comments here. I'm sure it's not even visible because of this phone. But yeah, boys, currently like 5:30, and there's a video that is dropping today. Today is it's a Sunday, so there's a video scheduled for today to be public at 6. So yeah, hopefully you guys are gonna watch it. You guys are gonna watch it. Watch it, and let's end this year with the boy getting monetized, man. Come on, James, come on. So yeah, man, if you made it to this part of the video, I'm ending it right here, right now, because I wanna get busy. I wanna watch this game between Liverpool, and Southampton, bro. Hey. Yeah, man, I'm ending it, and I just customized my laptop a bit. Let me just show you something, bro, because like sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you might just not be feeling okay or demotivated. I just added this thing, like this, the dream, the reason, the why, bro. Because whenever I wake up in the morning and I step onto the charts, I step onto my laptop and I look at this, it's gonna be a big motivation for me, bro.